Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are here, I bet we have the same problem. Did you know you can still earn money from YouTube even without hitting the 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscriber? If you are a small YouTuber and you have been frustrated about the monetization policy on YouTube, in this video I will show you how other small YouTubers earn from their videos even without hitting the 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers. Before we start, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updated videos. AdSense is an easy way to make money on YouTube, but only after your channel is starting to grow in popularity. Until then, there are other ways to make money on YouTube without AdSense, and most YouTubers are using them to make an income from creating videos. Actually, YouTubers are not focusing solely on making money from ads, most of them also have other ways to increase their earnings. I'll share with you the best alternative ways to earn money even without AdSense. Number 1. Affiliate links. Becoming an affiliate is the easiest way to make money on YouTube without AdSense. Making money through affiliate links means you advertise certain products in your videos and encourage your viewers to buy the product. You'll have a link to the product in the video description, which is a special URL attached to your account. Every time someone makes a purchase through one of your links, you'll receive a commission from that sale. Number 2. YouTube sponsorships. Another way to make money on YouTube without AdSense is through sponsorships. This is the how many YouTubers earn money or lots of cool freebies. Getting sponsored by a brand means that you get paid to promote the said brand in your videos. Number 3. Merch and products. One way is through selling merchandise. There are two ways you can go with this. You can either source products, buy them in bulk, and sell them at a higher price. Or, if you produce items, you can take advantage of YouTube and sell them on your channel. I hope this video helps you. Feel free to comment on the things that you want to discuss on our next video. Thanks.